When Thomas lifts the cup and the string, the first marble is released. As the marble travels down the marble path, its gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy as it approaches our reference point, the table. When the marble hits the domino, its kinetic energy transfers to the domino, causing it to lean forward. As the domino tips over, its kinetic energy quickly converts to gravitational potential energy, causing it to fall to the table while pushing the next domino over. Its gravitational potential energy converts to kinetic energy in the next domino, causing the process to repeat. As the last domino falls off the table, its gravitational potential energy transfers to the string, causing it to fall over and release the second marble down the path. The second marble follows the same energy transfer process as the first one. As well, the domino energy transfer process described before is repeated for the second domino set. When the domino falls into the first brown cup, its gravitational potential energy slowly converts to kinetic energy as the cup moves closer to the ground. At the same time, since the green marble holder is part of a pulley along with the cup, as it moves up, its marbles tumble down the track. These rolling marbles are carried down the track due to gravitational potential energy received by the holder. When the marbles approach the table and hit the wooden paddle, the gravitational potential energy converts to kinetic energy, causing the paddle to move, releasing the marble at the top of the yellow translucent marble path. This marble is carried down the track via gravitational potential energy. This quickly converts to kinetic energy when the marble pushes the lever supporting the tape roll. The tape roll rolls down the binder due to gravitational potential energy until it converts to kinetic energy when it pushes the car closer to the edge. The car converts its kinetic energy to gravitational potential energy when it falls off the binder's edge. The car's gravitational potential energy pulls the string, converting to kinetic energy when the string pulls the levers apart to release the ping pong ball. The ping pong ball is falling due to gravitational potential energy, which converts to kinetic energy as it approaches and hits the wooden board. When it bounces, it gains gravitational potential energy as it rises, and converts it to kinetic energy as it approaches and hits the second board. When the ball then hits the dominoes, its energy transfer process is the same as previously described for the other domino sets. When the last domino falls, its gravitational potential energy converts to kinetic energy as it pulls down the support beneath the book. Both the book and the tube containing the marble fall due to gravitational potential energy, while slowly converting to kinetic energy as they approach the table. When the tube stops moving, its kinetic energy transfers to the ball, releasing it, while gravitational potential energy carries the marble down the path until hitting the next domino. The domino energy transfer process is the same as described earlier. When the last domino hits the Lego piece, its gravitational potential energy converts to kinetic energy to knock the piece over the edge. Then, the Lego's kinetic energy converts to gravitational potential energy, which carries the piece down the zip line. The gravitational potential energy of the Lego converts to kinetic energy as it approaches the floor and the last set of dominoes. Its kinetic energy knocks over the first domino, and the domino energy transfer process is the same as previously described. The last domino of the set falls off the edge due to gravitational potential energy and hits the cymbal. This gravitational potential energy converts to sound energy in order to make the final loud noise.